Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's today take a look also on the Bitcoin market. So here's just minor update to our trading plan because market was behaving really lazy. So in the whole week we've got just this minor action on the intraday chart. So no impact on the daily chart, no impact on the weekly as well. So the one thing that we could adjust here is just take a look at the shape of the price action on the intraday charts. So on the 4-hour time frame chart we have initial ABCD pattern. Market hits the OP, shows the pullback. Now it's start dropping again, and as we said, reaction on the OP is over, and it seems that this action should become continuation to the next target. So we have the extension mode, contraction leg, extension again, this contraction, reaction on the OP, retracement, and that should be extension. But market suddenly has stopped forming the bullish divergence here and gives the hint on the possible holding the same area of the OP with a possible upward continuation. That's what we're considering right now. And last time we discussed minor ABCD pattern here. It suggests that this should be a good entry opportunity for taking the short position. And simultaneously we talked on the hourly chart's possibility to go long. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, that was our initial ABCD pattern. If you remember, ABC bottom, and we said it should hit 618 resistance. Although market was able to proceed high and form upward action, it has not quite reached the OP target and turns down faster, earlier. That, as market has dropped below our initial C point right here, it means that this pattern is not valid anymore, and we should take a look for something else. And here you could easily recognize the shape of the hand shoulders it's forming. That is really big assistance to us, because while the hand shoulders holds, we're considering its target. This ABC bottom OP precisely stands at 94.15 area. That's a 618 resistance on the whole downward action. That's great. So if you're scalp trading on intraday charts, you could consider this hand and shoulders with the stops below the right arm somewhere. Maybe you could try to catch here some minor gutless triple to buy if it will be formed a bit later. Well, it means that the scenario, the bullish scenario, will be valid until market holds the hand and shoulders pattern. Conversely, if by somehow, some reason, market will drop below the right arm, as will tell you that hand shoulders is failing, and it means that market should drop below the head. Dropping below the head in turn lead us to breaking of the major 30% support area, dropping this line, and we expect the acceleration in this case right to the now next XOP target 81.45. So that is clear. And the hand and shoulders pattern on the hourly chart is the background, the core of all trading scenario that we have. Later, if head and shoulders somehow will work, it doesn't mean that XOP is not achievable, because until market stands below the C point, this ABCD pattern is still valid. Market could spend a lot of time here in some range, forming the hand and shoulders, some different patterns, and then turn to the XOP, for example. To erase totally this target, market has to climb about the C point and shows definite sign that we're going higher, but we do not have it yet. But XOP will be definitely postponed if market will proceed higher with these hand and shoulders. So that being said, for the bulls, you could consider taking the long position with the stops below the right arm. Maybe you could wait for a bit more retracement here at forming gutless triple to buy, or you could buy right here. Target will be 94.15. It's ABCD target of the hand and shoulders. For the bears, you need to wait either when the hand shoulders will be completed, or for you the clear sign of the bears turning will be drop below right arm, tending market lower back to the head, That suggests that we could get the acceleration below these lows, and maybe market indeed go into the 81.45. That's what we have right now on the Bitcoin market.